Let's see human beings and the environment. All organisms, including human beings, depend on the environment to fulfill their needs. These needs include basic requirements like oxygen, food, water, and shelter. Apart from these, other needs like medicines, etc. are also fulfilled by it. Since all our needs, big or small, are met by the environment, a healthy environment is an absolute necessity for our well-being. However, man has always tried to bring changes in it to suit his convenience. Due to this, he is continuously degrading the quality of the environment, which is ultimately affecting him only. For example, due to excessive deforestation for various purposes like building houses, industries, making roads, etc., the pollution is increasing day by day. This is leading to an increase in severe health problems, many of which are fatal. Due to an ever-increasing human population, man's interference with nature has also increased. Some of the human activities which are reducing the quality of the environment are as follows. Organism खुदिमक अदुगा अइखोई मियोइबा human being yauna environment asida अइखोई दरकार लैबा खुदिमक लोइनबक depend तवी अइखोई दरकार लैबा basic requirement खरा हायरगदी oxygen, food, water, shelter asina chingbasin asini masi singsigi mathakta amuk अइखोइना दरकार लैबा हिदाक chingbasin asisu अइखोइना environment dagi fangi aduna अइखोइगी दरकार लैबा खुदिमक्सी अचौबबु ओइरो मचाबु ओइरो environment dagi फंगबना मरम ओइरगा अफबा environment अमा लैबा हाइबसी अइखोइगी दमक्ता यामना मरु ओइ दरकार लै अदुबु अइखोइ मियोइबसिंगना अइखोइगी नुंगाइनबगी दमक्ता खल्लगा environment sing asida ahongba kaya semdui aduna अइखोइ मियोइबसिंगना environment gi quality asi nongmano magi asum asum hantahali aduga mamai thangda अइखोइ मियोइबदा akaiba asokpa kaya amalai example oina hairabada yamna ka hena deforestation tauba haibadi uwa mayam ama kakthatlaga tongan tongan ba makhalgi darkar laibasing semgatpa haibadi yum saba industry kaya marum saba lambi semba asina chingbasing asi semgatpa matamda pollution asi nongma nongmagi asum asum hengalai pollution asina maram waraga अइखोइगी हक्चांगदा यामना अकाइबा यामना फत्तबा नोंगमा नोंगमगी असुम असुम थोकपा हेंगलै ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन हाइबदी मी मसिंग असि नोंगमा नोंगमगी असुम असुम हेंगलकपना मरम ओइरगा नेचर सिंगदा अकाइबा पीबसिसु नोंगमा नोंगमगी असुम असुम हेंगलै एनवायरनमेंट गी क्वालिटी असि हंथहनबदा अइखोइ मियोइबना एक्टिविटी कया मरुम अमा तवी मखोइसिंग असि अइखोइ खरा येंगसि let's see deforestation as discussed earlier excessive deforestation is done to clear land for building houses and factories for agriculture etc due to this an imbalance is created in nature this imbalance leads to frequent floods soil erosion increase in pollution reduction in fertility of the land and many more problems. Deforestation haibadi aikoina umang wamang mayam sing asi ka hena kaktatpa adubuni umang wamang sing asi kaktatlaba matungda aikoina yum mayam ama sanaba factories mayam ama sanaba agriculture gi damakta asigumba kaya marung gi damakta aikoina deforestation asi tawi deforestation asi tawbana maram waraga nature sida imbalance oiraktuna akaiba kaya marum mamlai masigi imbalance asina maram waraga flood toina thoali, soil erosion thoali, pollution asi yamna hengalali. Aduga laibaki fertility asishu laihau asishu yamna hanthali. Asina chingba problem kaya marumama deforestation tawbadagi thoali. Next, let's see industrialization, developing industries. Developing a large number of industries to make life more comfortable and improve the standard of living is adversely affecting the environment. Various harmful gases are being released into the atmosphere by these industries, which pollute air. Similarly, harmful chemicals and huge amount of waste from industries is disposed into the water bodies. These are not only killing aquatic organisms but are also injurious to human health. Industrialization haibadi industries mayam ama semgalakpa haibani. Industries kaya marum semgattuna aikoigi life asibu comfortable oinaba aduga standard of living asibu yamna hengatnaba semgalakpa asina environment da akaiba kaya marum thoglei. Industry kaya marum dagi hakchang sokningai oiraba makal kaya gi gases mayam ama thadaroptuna aikoigi air asibu pollution thoali. Aduga hakchang sokningai oiraba chemicals kaya waste kaya marum industry dagi thadaroptuna water bodies singda tasan kiduna water bodies sing asibu pollution thoali. Masina maram oiduna aquatic organisms isingda laiba living organisms sing asibu sirakpa asida natana aikoigi miyoibagi hakchang dasu yamna amangba thoklei. Masigi picture sida yengsi, this is the industry and this is the chemical waste running out from this industry. Masigi industry asidagi thadoraiba phattaba chemicals aduga waste mayam sing asi water bodies ta tagiduna water body asi pollution thoali. Next, let's see increasing number of vehicles. With the increase in human population, number of vehicles are also increasing. Due to these, harmful gases, smoke, etc. are released in the atmosphere. Besides air pollution, vehicles also create noise pollution through various sounds like blowing of horns. Gari mayamama hengalakpa asina kari amangata thuangi yengsi. Human population asi hengalakpagi matungina nongmagi gari sing asishu asum hengalai. Gari sing asidagi hakchang sokningai oiraba gases kaya smoke kaya thadorei masina aikoigi atmosphere da tin kiduna aikoigi nungsit asibu air pollution thoali. Air pollution thoan bagi mathakta amuk gari sing asidagi noise pollution thoanduna aikoigi health ta amang bakya thoali. Gari gi horn sing asidagi thoglakpa sound sing asina noise pollution thoali. Let's see this picture. Masida uriba gari sing asi asuki matik yamkre. Masigi gari sing asidagi harmful gases aduga smoke na chingba kaya thadoraktuna air sibu pollution tohalli. Aduga gari sing gi horn sing aduga gari gi engine gi sound sing asina noise pollution thohalli. Let's see the next topic, impact of pollution on human health. Various kinds of pollution like air, water, noise, and soil pollution are affecting human beings in different ways. Some of the common health problems like asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and lung cancer are caused because of air pollution. Water pollution causes diseases like cholera, dysentery, and even mental disorders. Noise pollution is responsible for permanent and temporary deafness, apart from lack of concentration. Soil pollution reduces the fertility of soil, thereby producing lesser food. Makal kyagi pollution sing haibadi air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, aduga soil pollution sing asina aikoi human being sing asibu tongan-tongan ba makal kayada akaiba kayam pi. Pollution sing asina maram moiraga common oina aikoi gi hakchangda asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, lung cancer makoi sing asi air pollution na maram moiraga thoali. Water pollution na maram moiraga tongan-tongan ba makal gi laina kaya example oina hairabada cholera, dysentery, mental disorders asina chinbasing asi thoali. Noise pollution na maram moiraga aikoi gi nakongna taba asi permanent oina haibadi punchi chuppa na pangba aduga temporary haibadi matam kharagi oina na tadaba asina chingba kaya thoali. Masigi mathakta amuk noise pollution na maram moiraga concentration walhalli thabak ama tawa matamda pukning asi changmangamde. Soil pollution na maram moiraga soil sing asigi laihau sing asi handahalli aduna maram moiraga food sing asi puthokpagi chang yamna walai. Be sensitive. It's soil pollution. Soil is said to be polluted when any such substance is added to it which reduces its fertility and disturbs its natural composition. For example, excessive use of chemical fertilizers alters the nature of the soil, thereby reducing its fertility. Similarly, wind and water remove the fertile top layer of the soil, decreasing its fertility. Addition of waste substances from houses, factories, hospitals, etc. also causes soil pollution. Reduction in fertility of the soil directly affects human beings. Use of manures and natural fertilizers should be encouraged and dumping of harmful waste should be stopped to prevent soil from getting polluted. Soil haibasi polluted taure haibasi aikoina karang kanda haigani haiba matamda any substance amakak posak amakak soil sida hapaba matungda haibadi soil sida lairaba matungda maduna maram oiraga soil asigi laihau asi handaraaba aduga natural composition sing asida akaiba piraaba adu oiba taragadi aikoina soil adu polluted taure an haibi yare. Example oina hairabada chemical fertilizer sing asi yamna ka hena sisinabadagi soil asigi nature da kairaktuna soil gi laihau asi handarai. Mataw adugumna wind aduga water sing na soil gi matak itang tangba fertile oiba layer sing asibu humdokhiduna natragana samthokhiduna laihau hantahalli. Aikoi gi yum sing dagi factory dagi hospital dagi aduga tongan ba mafam sing dagi fattaba waste substances sing asina soil da aikoina thadabadagi soil pollution asi tualli. Soil fertility sing asi hanthakibadagi aikoi human being da yam chauna akaiba pi. Manure sijinaba natural fertilizer sijinaba makoi sing asi aikoina encourage tawgadabani maramdi makoi sing asi sijinaraga aikoina pambi thabada sijinaragadi soil asi pollution tawde aduna maram oraga aikoina manure aduga natural fertilizer sing asi sijinagadabani chemical fertilizer sijinabagi mahutta. Hakchang sokningai oiraba waste sing asi mafam amada dumping tawba si aikoina kodakta lefan gadabani madu oiba taragadi aikoina soil pollution dagi kanba ngamgani. Let's see this picture. Masigi figure sida uribasi waste material mayam ama soil sida chakhairaga laibani masina maram moraga mafam asi soil pollution tualli. Let's see the next topic, conservation of the environment. Protection or restoration of natural environment is known as conservation of the environment. We need to conserve it for the survival of human race in future. A few ways to protect the environment are mentioned below. Plant more and more trees, reuse and recycle materials like newspapers, plastic bottles, aluminum cans, etc. save water and electricity, reduce the use of chemical fertilizers, manage industrial waste sensibly. Natural environment asibu aikoina ngak senba aduga amuk hanna fagatnaba silakpasing asibu aikoina conservation of the environment haina khangnai. Environment asibu aikoina conserve tawbasi yamna darkar lay maramdi aikoigi miyoiba jati sing asi future da tungda Prithvi sidagi mutkidanaba aikoi miyoiba khakta natana Prithvi sida lairiba living organism sing asi environment asina kairak pataragadi ahongba lakpa taragadi mathang sum mutkiduna mamai thangda aikoi human beings asishu mutkini aduna maram oiraga aikoina environment asi kannaba waste khara yengsi environment asi kannaba aikoina u sing asi yamna marang kaina thagadabani newspapers plastic bottles aluminum cans asina sing asi aikoina reuse aduga recycle tawgadabani reuse haibadi hanjan sijinaba aduga recycle hairagana hanagi amanba potudagi amuk anauba semakpa aduni aduna reuse tawba yaba pot oiragadi aikoina reuse tawgadabani aduga recycle tawba yaba material sing asina aikoina amuk recycle tawnaba honagadaba isinga electricity ga makoi asi aikoina yarigoi yamna likna sijinagadabani chemical fertilizer sijinabasi aikoina yamna hanthagadabani industrial waste sing asi aikoina mafam chana fajana manage tawduna aikoina mangnaba honagadabani. Let's see, recall with bingo. Anything that surrounds us is known as environment. Aikoigi akoibada lairiba posak khodimak sing asibu aikoina environment haina khangnai. All the things that make the environment are known as its components. The environment has two components, abiotic and biotic. Environment sema iba pochai sing asibu aikoina environment adugi components ni hain haigani environment asi component ani lay abiotic haiba ma biotic haiba ma. The abiotic environment consists of non-living things. Abiotic environment haibasida yaugadoriba sing asi non-living things ngaktani haibadi thawai pandaba posak sing ngaktani. The biotic environment comprises of living things like plants, animals and microbes. Biotic environment haibasida yaugadoriba sing asina thawai panba singni samna hairabada pambi sing sa sing aduga apik pa microbes sing makoi sing asin. The biotic components of the environment can be broadly divided into three categories: producers, consumers and decomposers. Environment gi biotic components si aikoina category ahum thokpa yai: producer, consumers, decomposers. All living things that can prepare their own food are referred to as producers or autotrophs. Masana masagi machinjak puthokchaba ngamba living thing adubu aikoina producers natragana autotrophs haina khangni. The organisms that eat the food prepared by producers are called consumers or heterotrophs. Producers na puthokpa food sing nasibu chariba organism adubu aikoina consumers natragana heterotrophs haina khangni. Consumers or heterotrophs are further classified into three categories: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Consumers natragana heterotrophs asi aikoina makhatana amuk category ahum thokpa yai: herbivorous, carnivorous aduga omnivorous. The organisms which feed on dead plants and animals and reduce them to simpler substances, thereby returning the constituents back to the soil, are called decomposers. Asiba pambi sing aduga asiba sa sing khaktamak chaba organism sing aduga masigi organism asina asiba pambiga asiba sa sing asi simpler substance onthokuna soil da amuk return tawkiba ngamba maduguma makalgi organism sing asibu aikoina decomposers haina khangnai. There is an interdependence between abiotic and biotic components of the environment. Abiotic components singa biotic components singa gi marakta interdependence lay haibadi amana amagi darkar lainai ama hek watpa matamda atopa ama kairakani aduna aikoina environment asibu protect tawgadabani. All organisms including human beings depend on the environment to fulfill their needs. Living organism khodimak aduga aikoi mioi basu environment da depend tawduna aikoi gi darkar laiba khodimak sing asi fangi. Human activities like deforestation, development of industries, and increasing number of vehicles have reduced the quality of environment. Aikoi mioi bagi activities kaya example oina harabada deforestation umang wamang kahina kaktalakpa development of industries kaya semgalakpa aduga increasing number of vehicles gari masing sing asi yamna hengalakpa asising asina maram moiraga environment gi quality asibu yamna hantahali. The protection or restoration of the natural environment is known as conservation of the environment. Environment asibu aikoina kannaba amuk semgalakpa asibu aikoina conservation of the environment haina khangai. Here it comes the end of the chapter number 13, knowing our environments. Thank you.